Hey, what's up guys, it's me Jacob. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm already telling you right now, go hit the subscribe button. But anyways, today we have a special video. I'm going to be going down to the store EnVuS. I'm actually here at Real West Mall in Gallup. But yeah, shout out to the guy Steven. He's from California and this is like him and his bro's company. It's called EnVuS. But this is the shirt that I bought the other day and it's pretty dope. And then they have this cool logo on the side. But today's video is going to be like promoting their company. So I'm going to be going over there soon, saying what's up to Steve. And yeah, so just stay tuned. I'm going to go see what they're up to.
Pull up in motorcades. I got a show today. It's all I'm trying to do. Hustle and motivate. Choppers a throwaway. Hustle the overweight. That's why they follow me, huh? They think I know the way. Cause I took control of things. Ball in the solo way. And if you pattern my trend, I make you my protege. Crossing that soldier race. Don't know them days. Take you in back of the buildings. Make you expose your rage.
So now I'm in the shop with the boy Steve. And they got some pretty dope shirts. Like, I'm not gonna lie, like everything here is like high quality material. Even the print style of the shirts, that will never fade. It's like, look at this. Look at this, they got like dope stuff here. And I don't know if you guys noticed this, but it's actually a tomahawk. They meant for that to look like a Nike swoosh. Got feathers hanging from the rim, and if you look at it, it kind of resembles a dream catcher, but really, it's a basketball rim. They got some dope graphics. Look at this one. This one's funny. This is Fried Bread and Spam by Dr. Sue. You come over here. This is actually the motto of their store. It's right here, EnVuS, and then you flip it. You should be. Yeah, I encourage all of you guys that watch this video to come down here and check out their shop. Of course, it's in Real West Mall. It's not hard to find. It's a red and black store. They have a little bit of everything. So come by the store and support their shop. Buy some stuff. Like, that takes a lot of courage and commitment to start your own business from the bottom. And like this guy, Steve, he's starting from the bottom. And this is his dream. And I personally believe in Steve's dream. You know, we talked a while these past 2 days and it was really motivating and inspiring to hear his story. But let me tell y'all about the story. So I was at the mall with my mom and we were walking by and I just had a feeling, you know, like maybe we should go into that store, like see what's actually in there. Cause I just saw it from the outside and I walked into the store and it was different. So I began talking to Steve and I told him about my YouTube channel and how I was shooting a music video that day. And yeah, music video coming out, it's on the way. But we got to talking about how he's doing this for the community. He's doing this for y'all. Y'all that watch my videos through Gallup area, he's doing this for y'all. Which is why I'm gonna be supporting EnVuS Apparel. Thumbnail. Hey. Yeah, he's wanting to give y'all something that you can call your own. Like, that is just dope in itself. That's why I ended up buying a shirt, EnVuS Apparel. And that's also why I'm going to be basing the 1K giveaway off of EnVuS Apparel. But yeah, be sure to follow them on Instagram. I'll put their handle right here at EnVuS Apparel. Check out the store, tell them I sent you, go buy something, and yeah, I'm gonna be rocking EnVuS Apparel for a while now. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention this, but their spring line's coming out next week, and he showed me some sneak peeks, and it looks fire, y'all. I'm excited. This spring apparel, the spring line looks dope. Like, oh my goodness, you guys got... Don't want to say anything else. You guys just gotta wait and see. Yeah, and lastly, don't forget to like this video, comment on it, and let's get this channel to 1,000 subscribers. We're like almost there. Share my channel with all your homies, with all your friends, with all your family. Thank you guys. Love you guys so much. Peace.
Pull up in motorcades. I got a show today. It's all I'm trying to do. Hustle and motivate. Choppers a throwaway. Hustle the overweight. That's why they follow me, huh? They think I know the way. Cause I took control of things.